Welcome to Painting with Carla. And today we are transforming trash into art for creative watercolor stamps. Welcome back. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I've been trying new tips and tricks to share with you guys, and this is honestly one of my favorites. It's so cool how can you use a empty toilet paper roll to make fun and beautiful things. I usually cut in the half, as you can see. So you have two instead of just one, or maybe more if you want to cut in three or four. Before we begin, keep in mind that the bottom needs to be wet, so before you add in the watercolor paint, you need to wet a little bit so it will be better when you add the color. Okay, we're gonna start with these heart stamps. It's very simple. You just need to fold in the half so you'll have a heart shape. When you dip in the red watercolor, you make sure that it's just fully covered. And then you can play and have fun. Now, with the help of a brush, you're gonna fill the hearts with a little bit of water, a little bit of paint. You're gonna make them look the way you want. After they dry, you can add some more hearts on top, around, whatever you think is better. Just like I did, I thought three was just not complete, so I add a few more, as you're gonna see. I absolutely love using these stamps for Valentine's card or any kind of painting I'm doing. I love the effect and the shape itself. You know, it's perfect. Now for the lemon stamps, I'm adding the yellow watercolor to this cup, and let's grab the roll and use just as it is. Wet a little bit, it add in the water. We want this shape, this original shape. So you just need to slight press so it'll be a little bit more of our shape. And then, ta-da, this is where the magic happens. You just have fun using your creativity use your stamp to add how many lemons you want. I I've decided to place them just like this because I'm gonna paint a branch and some leaves. But I love the effect. I'm gonna add another layer so we'll have a little bit of this effect, and you're just gonna see the pigment flow. I love it. Don't worry about being perfect. The beauty of watercolor is in the happy accidents. And then you can have fun, just do a background or, you know, add some leaves just like I did. I love how it looks, honestly. Next one, we're gonna create some dragonflies. I'm using purple. I love this shade of purple. As you can see, I add all the paint into this cup and a little bit more water so we can put the toilet paper roll actually in there. Can dip, right? For the dragonfly shape, we're gonna do almost the same as we did for the heart. But you can play with the size of the wings, you can make one a little bit bigger than the other, and like this. I tried to make one a little bit smaller than the other, and but you can always fix things with a brush later, okay? um, Now it's just time to place them on the paper and have fun, just think about how they fly, and with the help of a brush again, I'm in the water and making the dragonfly body. Next one, I try a different position. So this one will be with all the wings so we can see them. That's it. You can paint how many you want, the colors you want. You can use 2 or 3 colors, you can use different shades, you can paint according with your creativity, I believe. You guys will create beautiful dragonflies. And finally, we're gonna paint our fish stamps Gonna use some orange so it will look like a goldfish. For the shape, we're gonna fold the paper roll in just one side, just like this, pressing just one side, so it will have this shape similar to a fish body. You just press and you'll have the little fish body. If you need, you do it again. You just dip in the water and in the paint, and then you dip it again. This is how our fish will look like. I will add some fluid tails and a little bit of more details later, so it will look more like a fish. I hope you enjoyed these 4 creative ways to use paper rolls as stamps. It's such a simple way to practice watercolor without the pressure of a blank page. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these designs was your favorite? Or even better, what should I try to stamp next? Or themes? Please leave a comment below. Let me know also if you are gonna give a try on any of these. I'm always looking for new inspiration from you guys, and I'm so happy when you guys participate. If you like the materials I've used today, I've made it easy for you. I've linked all my favorite Amazon art supplies in the description box right down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative hacks and follow me on my social media for daily art inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting!